If you believe that makeup is an art form and the human face is a canvas, then we have an exciting new alternative career idea for you. Makeup consultants help their customers select the right makeup and skincare products that suit their needs. They might also teach them the right application techniques. Their clientele usually includes makeup novices, brides-to-be, or anyone who's trying to make an informed decision before buying a whole bunch of makeup products. So if you're someone who's tired of the saturated beauty market but still wants to leave a mark in the industry, makeup consulting could be a great side hustle for starters and can be worked on to become a great career option. The prerequisites. You need to have a knack and interest for makeup application, an in-depth knowledge of bone structure, skin tone, and product chemistry. This profession requires a lot of patience and great customer service skills. You should be inclusive, understanding, and a sensitive individual. And lastly, hygiene should be important to you. You also need to be understanding of the fact that the client's needs are of utmost importance and absolutely nothing comes in the way of that. So how does one become a makeup consultant? Step 1. Learn the basics of makeup. Traditionally, makeup artists would go to an institute to hone their makeup skills, but these days makeup enthusiasts are doing exactly that by watching tutorials on social media. Step 2. Practice makeup on yourself and on others around you. Step 3. Get a job as a makeup artist or start your very own brand and work till you're confident with a good clientele coming in. Step 4. Start consulting with regular clients. Step 5. Create some noise about your work on social media or through the word of mouth. Step 6. Keep learning and researching as you go. Being a competitive market, there's always a new product or a new brand launch happening, and you should be aware of that. How much can one earn through makeup consulting? For an online group workshop or consult where you're teaching makeup techniques, you could charge anywhere between Rs 500 to 1500 per session per participant. If you're taking one-on-one online sessions for both makeup application and selection, then you could charge Rs 4000 for 4 to 5 sessions that usually last for an hour each. If you're meeting your client in person and going store hopping, then you could charge anywhere between Rs 4000 to 5000 per session. An in-person consult lasts for 3 to 4 hours and requires you to hop around a couple of stores, usually in a mall. Makeup consultants can collaborate with brands, with cosmetic stores, or go on to start their very own independent practice. If you'd like to know more about this career, then go on, tap on the link in our bio and read up the full article. If you found this video helpful, then like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, keep it cool, Kanyas.